Wait until you hear this. Trump's appointment of a loyalist to oversee the Jan 6 investigation is like appointing a fox to guard the henhouse. A move that making waves everywhere.
Oh, okay, you mean Ed Martin. The guy's a total firebrand and a breath of fresh air. There's nothing wrong with shaking things up a bit in Washington, if you ask me.
It's not just shaking things up, Jane Martin, past actions and his close ties to the events of Jan 6. Doesn't this make you question the impartiality of the legal system? I mean, he was actually part of the crowd on that day.
Well, exactly. That gives him first-hand experience with what really happened, not just the biased accounts from the media. Plus, he's got some pretty impressive conservative credentials.
Impressive from whose perspective, though? He'd never even been a prosecutor before this, and now he's tasked with the massive responsibility of overseeing such a critical investigation.
Sometimes an outsider's perspective is the fresh start an organization needs. Besides, Trump wouldn't trust someone who isn't fiercely loyal, and that kind of loyalty is crucial in politics. He's there to dismantle what's unnecessary.
Or perhaps to dismantle what holds certain folks accountable. What about all the prosecutors who were just fired? They were following leads in the name of law and order, right? That sends quite a message.
If those prosecutors weren't fully aligned with the administration's goals, maybe they were justifiably shown the door. It happens all the time. Politics is brutal, especially if you're not a team player.
But should it really be like that, especially when legal matters and national security are at stake? Undermining these processes could have long-term implications. Ed Martin has quite a background with promoting conspiracy theories, don't you think?
Conspiracy theories, or just viewpoints that don't align with the mainstream narrative. There's always more than meets the eye, you have to admit, Martin. Appointment has got people talking, and isn't that what politics needs? A bit of controversy to keep things alive.
Sure, discussions are important, but at what cost? With how polarized everything is now, having someone with a history of contentious politics in such a powerful role can add fuel to an already blazing fire.